Understanding, it's a mixed bag, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, it's a mixed bag. This idiom is quite common in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can add a nuanced touch to your language skills. So, let's unpack this expression together. The phrase, it's a mixed bag, is used to describe a situation, group, or collection that is composed of various different elements, especially a combination of good and bad ones. Imagine a bag filled with an assortment of items, some you like and some you don't. That's exactly the picture this idiom paints about a situation or a group of things. The term, mixed bag, has its roots in hunting, where hunters would refer to a bag containing a variety of game as a mixed bag. Over time, this term evolved beyond the hunting context and became a metaphorical way to describe any collection of assorted elements. Today, it's widely used in various contexts to express diversity and unpredictability in outcomes. Understanding how to use an idiom in a sentence is crucial. Here are a few examples to demonstrate the usage of, it's a mixed bag. When asked about the new policy changes at work, Maria said, it's a mixed bag. Some changes are beneficial, while others are quite challenging. After watching the latest blockbuster, Jake commented, the movie was a mixed bag. The special effects were amazing, but the storyline was a bit weak. Reflecting on her vacation, Sophia mentioned, it was a mixed bag. The beaches were stunning, but the weather was unpredictable. While, it's a mixed bag, is the most common form of the expression, you might also hear variations like, a bit of a mixed bag, or, something of a mixed bag. These variations carry the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. And there you have it. You're now equipped to understand and use the phrase, it's a mixed bag, in your conversations. This idiom is a colorful way to express the diversity of elements in a situation, highlighting both the good and the bad. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English idioms. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.